As we speak, the country is gripped by another spate of violence perpetrated by the so-called machete gangs. The judiciary acknowledges the work being undertaken by law enforcement agencies in bringing perpetrators of that wave of violence to book. May I assure the nation that the courts stand ready to decisively deal with those accused of these offenses in accordance with the law. Special courts to specifically try the cases have been set up in all affected areas across the country. I call upon all stakeholders in the administration of justice to make concerted efforts to end this problem. Institutions mandated to protect the citizens cannot sit back and watch a few rogue elements terrorize the entire nation for their selfish benefit. We hear stories of careless murders of ordinary citizens and law enforcement agents. Citizens' right of freedom of movement, freedom to conduct their affairs without fear, and freedom of association are being violated with impunity by the gangsters. The organized terror gangs have the potential to create anarchy if they are not quickly neutralized. Courts must demonstrate to the public that they are possessed of real capacity to enforce the law and punish crime.